How to watch TikTok lives in picture-in-picture mode or PIP mode on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck. In today's video, I will show you the way as to how you can view live videos in the picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. It's very simple. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First, just make sure to update the TikTok app, because if it isn't updated, this option could likely go missing if your app is not updated to the latest version. Once you follow the steps, just make sure to launch the TikTok application, and in order to first of all find the live videos, tap on the live button which you see on the very top left hand corner of the screen, and you'll be taken to the live pages of TikTok where you'll be able to see all of the creators with the live videos. So let's say I want to watch either one of these videos on the picture-in-picture mode. So in order to do that, from the very bottom right, you can see this little arrow icon which is the share icon. So just tap on it to enable other options, and you'll be able to see all these sorts of various options. But ignoring all of that, you would find the option called background player at the bottom. So what you want to do is just tap on the option called background player. As you tap on background player, currently you can see it is set to none. So if you want to view in PIP mode, just select picture in picture over here. Now once you select picture in picture, even if you exit out of TikTok, this video is still going to be played. As you can see, you could also go ahead and then resize it. You could go ahead and then make it bigger or smaller, zoom in, zoom out, pinch in or pinch out, and you could also go ahead and use other applications while in the process of watching this live video. And this is how you can go ahead and then enable or watch TikTok live in PIP mode on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.